What's up, guys? Welcome to our very first episode. This one is called Organizing Outlook. We're going to talk about 4 different tips you could do, simple little things you could do to organize your emails and help you stay organized when it comes to getting correspondence from a bunch of different people. Let's get started. Okay, to start, personalize your email. You can make it look nice. Do whatever you need to do. The first thing is click your gear button that's over here. This is your settings. It brings you up a bunch of different colors. And if you press view all, you'll be able to select whatever theme you'd like. Okay. Okay, second step, turning on your focused inbox. Same thing, click the gear and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna turn it on here. Once you do turn it on, you'll create 2 separate inboxes, okay? The important emails that you get from staff and the ones that make notification noises show up in focused. The other unimportant ones will show up here in the other bin. It should automatically sort these, but if you need any help, it's pretty simple. So as an example, we have Robin from Formative. This is not a very important email that came to me, so I'm going to click it with the right key. And instead, I'm going to go to the third option, which says move. I'm going to go to always move to the other inbox. It'll give me a notification to say, do I really want to do that? And I'm going to hit OK. It's best to look through this and sift and look for unread emails that you don't really look at to begin with, and go to always move to other inbox. Okay, rule number 3. Creating folders for apps and platforms that just send way too many emails. This is very easy to do. We're gonna go to the other. Let's say I have Cortana, and Cortana has been sending me way too many emails. I'm gonna click it with the right key, scroll to the top, click it with the right key, and go to move. And instead of always move to other or focused, I'm gonna move all the way down to the bottom where it says move all messages from. It's gonna give me a list of options. The option I'm gonna select is the second one, because this moves all the current emails and all the future messages that you will get from Cortana from Microsoft. We're gonna go to move to, and instead of deleted files, I'm gonna scroll all the way down and go to new folder. Here I'm able to name the folder, and I'm gonna call it Cortana. I'm gonna hit enter, and there it is. I'm gonna hit OK, and it's gonna start creating that rule. Okay, we're gonna look at that again. This is a second example. I'm gonna click Scholastic. I'm gonna go to move, and instead of move to focused or other, I'm gonna go to the second option. Again, move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. Go to move to, and I'm gonna move this to the Scholastic folder. Again, the rule comes up. Okay, this is really helpful again if you get Schoology emails like I do from students submitting folders and different resources that they've created, as well as Zoom. Anybody who connects, it usually creates an email for the people that have been there. Okay, and this can litter your email box, and you can hear a bunch of buzzing and a bunch of notification sounds, especially the amount of noises that happen to push notifications in your phone if you have the app installed. So it's best to just try to keep your focus inbox as neat as possible, and this is the best way to do it. Okay, final tip. We're gonna go to the settings bar, and this is how we edit rules, just in case we make a mistake with editing rules. We're gonna go to inbox rules, and we're gonna scroll down. Messages from Scholastic. I have messages from Cortana, vocabulary.com, Scholastic Online Store, St. Blasner, Legends of Learning, Nearpod, Brain Pop, Khan Academy. I've created all of these rules so that these specific email headers will automatically send to those folders. Here you're allowed to look at all the rules you have enacted, and you can even edit them if you need to. This is your delete rule. So if you press this, the rule will no longer be active and it will continue to do what it used to do. This is helpful just in case you make a mistake and you send all the messages from one folder to another and you messed up. You can just press this and press delete. It's going to give you the notification and you would hit OK. Okay guys, well, that brings us to the end of episode 1, organizing your email. If you have any future questions, shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.